Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my accommodation here in Varkala. These are the steps leading to the second floor of South Cliff Temple Road where I'm staying. This is, of course, the common area, and these are the other rooms that go for rent. And this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen area. It's got all the modern facilities and amenities you can utilize. There's a fridge here as well for you if in case you want to utilize it. And of course, there's a balcony. If you go down this road, take a right, you have the South Cliff Beach, which is just merely only 500 meters walking distance from the accommodation where I'm staying. Taking you back to this kitchen area, to my room where I'm staying. This is the entrance. This is, of course, the bedroom, the bed. They have a table for you to utilize, which I use for my laptop. I keep my laptop and watch movies here. And of course, a Western style toilet. It's a very spacious room. From here you can see there's another property followed by the cliff. So this is a very spacious room that I have all to myself. I have booked this accommodation for 5 days. For a single day the rent is 800 rupees, so my total came to 4000 rupees for a total of 5 days. And it was a very comfortable stay, and I must say the owner of this property is an amazing human being who is very helpful and kind. So whenever you come to Varkala, you should definitely stay in the Soul Share property. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Cheers and God bless.